Greetings everyone, I am Sayantan and welcome to In Love with Soil. It's time to announce the name of the seed giveaway winners. So there you go. Madhu Dighe, Neha Singh, Vijay Lakshmi, Shomallo Nundi, Shotinath Das, Miraki, Manoj Narma, Victor Banerjee, New Looks and Shubhodip Das. Thank you so very much for your lovely comments. I'm totally overwhelmed, liked a lot, loved a lot. So please send your contact details as well as your address. I'll put up your name on the screen so that there should be no confusion at all, and I also put up the mail ID on the screen and you will also get it in the description of this video. So please send your address along with your phone number as soon as you can, because I don't want to delay the entire process. Our growing season is near. I want to send seed as soon as I can. So please hurry up and send your address. Have a nice day.